you see in the background here, looks pretty cool. These, wondering how I did that, no, I did not draw that. That is a brush you can find on the internet, and the abstract swirls, you can find these on the internet too. You just have to be creative. It doesn't really matter which ones you use. The stars and the grass are included with Photoshop. So first thing you're going to do is open up Photoshop Elements. You're going to start from scratch. Wait for it to open. Okay. So, yeah, here you go. I already have mine preset. I'm just going to name it, I'm not going to save this one because I've already done one, but I'm just going to create a new one with my screen resolution so it's my desktop. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is rename this background layer, rename it just Hill, and you're going to get your circle elliptical marquee tool and zoom out a little bit and draw just a little hill at the bottom, like that. Then make sure that your foreground color is set to like a greenish color, like a darkish greenish. That looks about right. And get your paint bucket tool and fill that. And then get the magic wand tool out and select the white stuff above it. So now you're going to have all this selected right here. So then go get your select your background color. We're going to change that this way to like a blue. It's night, so. And then just fill that also. But you have to switch that to your foreground color. Okay, so there you go. So now you have your hill. And press Ctrl D to deselect. Now create a new layer, and this is going to be our grass. Or whatever you want to call it. Looks more like green or whatever. But then set your foreground color to white. Get your brush tool out, and in the default brushes, you're gonna find a grass. It's called dune grass. You can also use grass, but dune grass just works a little better. And just draw across the top a little bit. And just draw some grass. Doesn't have to be perfect because it's grass. So yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna zoom in so you can see that. So there, that's basically what it did. And the background color is the other random. It does random colors in between that white and that green color. So you see all the different shades. Now I'm going to grab my tree brush, which I found on the internet. You can find tons of those on the internet. Just go to Google and search free Photoshop brushes. And I'm not kidding. There's thousands of websites. So now get your brush tool, and you still have white as your foreground color. And I'm going to find my trees. I'm going to select this tall one. Actually, not that one. I think it was this one. I don't know which one I used. No. Might be this one. Yeah, it was this one. And then just create a new layer. And you're going to see, we're going to run into a little problem. I want this to be coming from behind the hill, okay? But the hill and the background are the same layer. So what you're going to do is take your select tool and select all this blue. Click on your hill layer, sorry. And select all this blue.